Hi all, today we are going to be installing Zorin OS onto this Dell computer. I already have the SSD that we'll be using today in the computer, so let's go ahead and let's get started. Just going to add some good old Ethernet and then some power right here. Open it up. Let's go ahead and start. Alright, so let's go ahead and start the computer up right here. I don't remember what the F2. Probably should have hit F12. Oh well, it will be fine. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll change the boot options. So we're going to, where is the button for this? Ah, here it is. Here it is. You have to hit shift in order to hit plus, apparently. Okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and exit this. Exit saving changes, yes. And then we shall insert the CD. It doesn't seem to want to eject for some reason. Okay, it's not letting me put the disk in because there's something else in the drive that I wasn't trying to enter setup. Thanks. Why won't you eject the drive? I have to take this thing apart so that I can open up the drive. Oh no, I just had to enter into setup. Okay. Anyways, let's go ahead, let's insert the disk. No, stop ejecting the disk. Okay, so let's go ahead and exit the BIOS. Yeah, let's go ahead and exit the BIOS. So I want to make sure that that was working. We'll go ahead and we'll boot into Zorin here. To the lovely old setup. We're just going to hit F1 to continue because this computer doesn't have a battery. We're going to try or install Zorin. Did this thing just crash? Oh no. Ah, here we are. We're at the installer. That's going to take another 6 years to start. Ooh. Okay, so we want to install. Yep. Nope, nope, we want to do that. Hopefully it didn't just crash. Okay. Okay, now we want to erase the disk. I did not realize that this one had Windows Vista on it. Oop. I'm just going to hit install now. This is fine. That works. Okay, so I'm just going to let this install, and I'm going to let the camera keep recording, and I'm going to see if I can make a time lapse of how long this takes to install. And if it doesn't work, we'll just skip straight to the end. Either way, see you then. Okay, so the installation is finished. Now we shall restart the computer. Oh, the mouse doesn't work anymore. That's lovely. So we will now restart the computer. And hopefully it will. Oh, it's doing something. It's doing something. What is it doing? I can't see, but it's... Oh, it was blinking in the corner. It's not anymore. Oh, there it goes again. So right there. Just zoom in on it. Oh, and it went away. And it spit out the disk. It's now telling us to remove the installation media. Press enter. It's already ejected the disk, so let's go ahead and hit enter. Grab the disk out of the system. Should reboot automatically. And then we shall begin with Zorin Funness. If it loads, that's a lot of error messages. I think I might just, enter? Is enter doing anything? No? Oh, still loading something. Computer has stopped spinning. The fan has stopped. Okay. I don't think this was working, so I'm just going to go ahead and hold down the power button and restart the computer, and I'm just going to kind of hope that after it doesn't seem to want to shut down. Okay, we're just going to, metaphorically speaking, just pull the plug and plug it back in. Give it a very good old go. If the computer will start. Oh, there it goes. There we go. Hit F1 again. And ta-da! It's starting with style. I'll just cut to when it's finished, opening and launching, and ooh, it's doing something. Ooh. Oh, hey, look. The mouse works. Hey! And desktop. No thanks, I don't want to do the tour. Alright, so now that we've got it installed, let's go ahead and we can view the shop because we do have Ethernet after all. Yep. It's downloading stuff off the shop. We'll give it a try a few games out. Alright, so let's just go ahead and kind of look for some games here. There's it's Astro Menace. Oh, that looks fun. We'll install that. We've got balls. Search option. Do adventure. Yeah, that sounds fun. Let's go back to search. Let's look for. Isn't there a search option on here? I could have swore there was a search option. Okay, there's not a search option, so let's go back to games. And let's just go ahead and just kind of scroll on through. There's not a lot of games on here, is there? Or is it still, it's still holding my... It's taking an awfully long time to load. There we go. Okay, so we've already installed this. Let's see if there's any other games we can install. Bomber. There's a lot of emulators on here, I see. Ooh, Dolphin. There's DOSBox. We could try playing some old DOS games. Oh, where'd it go? Ooh, Super Tux Kart. Super Tux. Okay, so I installed some games. Let's go ahead and try them out here. So we've got Astro Menace. Go ahead and give that one a shot here. Start with this one. So, oh, this is kind of laggy a little bit. Does not seem to like this very much. Let's go ahead and try this out. Let's go close and start. Those are just controls. Oh, okay, so control. Oh yeah, take that, take that. I am doing very horribly. Oh, I am just destroying things with my entire corpse here. Well, that went over well. Let's try another game. What other games do we have here? We've got... Alright, so we've got... Minecraft, Quake. I think these ones require the actual game files. Let's try Super Tux Kart. Oh, it works. Oh, Jesus, this thing's loud. Let's turn that down. Okay, so we'll just skip that. Oh, okay, so we'll just. No, I don't want to know. I just want to. Yeah, there we go. Let's. I would not like to play the tutorial. Let's play some Tux Kart. We'll do Tux, of course. I know. Yeah, time trials. We'll just. There we go. Ooh, wow, this looks really smooth. This thing looks really smooth. Damn. Oh, actually, it looks like it's getting a little bit choppy. Ooh. Uh-oh. I should mention that I kind of suck at this game. Computer sounds like it's trying to take off into space. Jeez. I don't know why I'm trying to collect those. I don't even know how to use them. Oop, banana in the road. Oop. This thing really does run rather smoothingly choppy, if that's a word. Like, it's smooth, but it's kind of like, every once in a while it'll just get a little bit choppy. Oh, let's go for the big barrel of stuff I don't know how to use. I missed. And done. Woo! We won. Well, I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm about done with that. Alrighty, and lastly, before we go, I realized we have not yet tried to use the internet. So let's go ahead and give that a shot here. Let's go ahead and go all the way over to good old caps lock on. YouTube.com. Let's try to look up a video here. Good old videos. Alrighty. Oh, hey, look, the keys work. Murder a computer. No, it didn't like that. It didn't like that I tried to skip ahead there. What? Desktop environment. How does it do full screen? Mouse. This is the last time that happened. I had a bad disk drive. Okay. I think that plays it pretty well. Well, I think this just about wraps up this video. I did pretty much all I wanted to do on here. I installed it, played some games. That's about it. So make sure to join us next time when we play with Windows 98, an old computer, and an SD card?